आपके दरमियान जिस शख्सियत का आप इंतजार कर रहे हैं, बहुत जल्द आपके दरमियान हम पेश करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमईन। अम्मा बाद, फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। इन्नस सलाता तन्हा अनिल फ़हशाइ वल मुनकर। In this auspicious gathering, I want to speak on the topic of Salah. Respected Muslim brothers, Salah means prayer. While in Islam it is set of actions and mode of worshipping Allah. Salah is the second tenet of Islam after Iman. Every believer is asked to worship Allah 5 times a day. The 5 times of Salah are called Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. Salah is the most fundamental practice of Islam. It is obligatory on every Muslim man and woman. Dear audience, Salah is the most important practice in Islam. It was greatly emphasized by the Quran and Hadith. It finds repeated mentioning in the Quran, and mostly it is combined with Iman. Salah is in fact the manifestation of Iman. It means total submission of man to Allah. In Salah, a slave falls down before Allah in humility and bows down before Him. He puts his forehead on ground before Allah and chants His greatness and glory. The dignitaries. Salah keeps the believers away from sins. As Allah says in the Holy Quran, Inna salata tanha anil fahsha'i wal munkar. Indeed, prayer prohibits immorality and wrongdoing. Dear elders and brothers, Salah is the best way to progress in both worlds. Salah is the most important practice in Islam. Salah is the best way to please Allah. So brothers, be steadfast in Salah. May Allah give us tawfiq to be punctual in Salah. तू मेरे सजदों की लाज रख ले, शऊर सजदा नहीं है मुझको। तू मेरे सजदों की लाज रख ले, शऊर सजदा नहीं है मुझको। ये सर तेरे आस्था से पहले किसी के आगे झुका नहीं है। व आखिरु दावाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।